Question number 21. Following is the receipts and payment account of St. Sophia Club for the year ended 31st March 2017. On the receipt side, cash 1 for 2016. This is the opening balance of cash in hand 8,000. Subscription including rupees 2,000 for 2015-16 51,000. Interest. This is the interest on 10% investments 2,500. Donation for building 1 lakh. Donation 20,000. Live membership fees 10,500. Match fund 20,000. Proceeds for charity show 10,500. Entrance fee 8,000. Now donation for building is a capital receipt. It will be capitalized, and in the same way live membership fee will be capitalized and match fund will be capitalized. On the payment side, match expenses 18,000, rent 20,400, 10% investments 40,000, charity show expenses 9,600, salaries 50,400, honorarium 10,500, sports equipment 30,000, printing and stationery 5,000, furniture 35,000. The additional information says on 1/4/2016, that is at the beginning of the current year, or you may say 31st of March 2016, the last day of the previous year. Club owed land and building valued rupees 1,10,000 and sports equipment 20,000. Subscription due on 31/3/2016, that is the previous year, were 3,000, and subscription unpaid on 31/3/2017 was 6,000, that is the current year. Prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet assuming that 50% entrance fee and donation be capitalized. So the donation 20,000, out of this 10,000 will be shown as revenue and 10,000 will be capitalized, and entrance fee 8,000, out of this 4,000 will be shown as revenue and 4,000 will be capitalized. And sports equipment as on 31/3/2017 valued at rupees 42,000. The opening balance of sports equipment is given, purchases of sports equipment is given, and here the closing balance is given. Therefore we have to calculate the consumption of sports equipment. Question number 21, page number 4.77. First of all, we will prepare the opening balance sheet of Messrs. St. Sophia Club as on 31st March 2016. On the asset side, cash in hand is 8,000, land and building, sports equipment, and outstanding subscription 1,10,000, 20,000, 3,000, all are given in the additional information, and this 8,000 has been obtained from the receipts and payment account, the cash as on 1/4/2016, which is the opening balance of cash in hand. On the liability side, nothing is there, therefore the balancing figure is your capital fund 1,41,000. Now the income and expenditure account of Messrs. St. Sophia Club for the year ending 31st March 2017. On the expenditure side, to salaries 50,400, to rent 20,400, to charity show expenses 9,600, to honorarium 10,500, and to printing and stationery 5,000. These are all expenses given in the receipts and payment account on the payment side. Now we will calculate the consumption of sports equipment. We will start with purchase of sports equipment given in the receipts and payment account rupees 30,000. We will add to it opening stock of sports equipment 20,000, which is given in the additional information. Total comes to 50,000, and deduct the closing stock of sports equipment given in the additional information rupees 42,000. The sports equipment consumed during the year is 8,000. On the income side, By subscription 51,000, less outstanding for 2016 3,000, total comes to 48,000. Add outstanding for 2017 6,000, total comes to 54,000. Now here, as the outstanding figures are given on the balance sheet date, that is 31st of March 2016 and 2017, these are the final figures. Therefore the subscription are including rupees 2,000 given in the receipts and payment account will not be taken into consideration while calculating the subscription due to be credited to income and expenditure account. By interest on investments 2,500, which is given in the receipts and payment account. As the investments are of 40,000 and the rate of interest is 10%, so the total amount of interest should have been credited at 4,000 rupees, but it is only shown as rupees 2,500. It means 1,500 is yet accrued, अभी मिलना बाकी है, तो इसको हम ऐड कर देंगे, तो total comes to rupees 4,000. By donations 20,000 less capitalized 50%, that is 10,000, total comes to 10,000. By entrance fee 8,000 less capitalized 4,000, total comes to 4,000. These are revenue part of the donation and entrance fee. By proceeds from charity show 10,500. Now here in this question the expenditure side is bigger. The total of the expenditure side is greater than the total of the income side. The income side is short by rupees 21,400. In such a case, this shortage on the income side is called as deficit. Dash excess of expenditure over income. Now the balance sheet of Messrs Sophia Club as on 31st March 2017. On the liability side, capital fund 1,41,000, which we obtained from by preparing the opening balance sheet, less deficit 21,400, total comes to 1,19,600. Donation for building was 1 lakh. Donation 50% of which is to be capitalized is 10,000. Entrance fee 50% of which is to be capitalized is 4,000. Live membership fees is 10,500, which is to be totally capitalized. Match fund is 20,000 less match expenses 18,000. 2,000 is the amount left yet in match fund. Now on the asset side, land and building 1,10,000, furniture 35,000, investments 40,000, sports equipment 42,000, outstanding subscription 6,000, accrued interest on investments 1,500, and cash in hand 11,600, which is given on the payment side at the bottom. Cash 31/3/2017. This is the closing balance of cash in hand. So the total of the balance sheet is 2,46,100. Now see the working note. Calculation of accrued interest on investment. Investments at the rate 10% are given 40,000. Interest on investment is equal to 40,000 into 10 by 100. 10% of 40,000 is equal to 4,000. Less interest on investment received as per receipts and payment account, which is given 2,500. Therefore the difference 1,500 is the accrued interest on investments.